Hello, a very good evening to all my lovely boys and girls out here. I hope all of you are doing good. All of you are excited for this one-shot marathon of binomial theorem. So guys, this is going to be a slightly long session. We are going to look at the entire chapter of binomial theorem in just 2.5 hours. Yes, Lakshmi, it's gonna be amazing. Absolutely. Hello, Aditya Ram. Very good evening. Roshni, welcome. Ankit Kumar. Welcome, Ankit. Nice to see you. Meenakshi Sundar is here. Archana is here. Narmada is also here. Welcome, Narmada. Deepa Kannan. Welcome. Nice to see you. Vanakkam. Siddharth, Pradeep. Yes, Siddharth. Of course, I remember you. Welcome. Ananta Krishnan, welcome Ananta Krishnan. Vishesh, of course man, don't worry. Your comments are always visible. You're not blocked. You are safe over here. Prashant, welcome. Karthik, Apurv, welcome guys. Aishwarya, Karthik, Mahesh. Very good, very good. Good evening people. So people, without any further delay, let's get started. This is the one-shot marathon of binomial theorem, and it is part of the nurture series which is going on for the 11th standard students in our channel Enthuse. Okay, so it is going to be a long session. I think I might take for 2.5 hours depending on whether I complete whatever I have brought or not. Okay, but 2.5 hours is the maximum because 7:30 Shreyas sir's class will begin. Okay, my hair, yes, it's a bit watery, so when I combed it, it looks very flat. I know, I look like a very nerdy person, but guys, it's because of the water. It's okay. Shweta, welcome. Nice to see you. Gaurav, of course, I remember you, Gaurav. DB Lions, welcome. Chitra, I'm so glad to have all of you here. So people, let's begin our marathon on binomial theorem. But before we go there, some of you might be new here. You came here to revise binomial theorem with me. But who am I? I want you guys to know that so that we have better communication from today onwards. Okay. So my name people is Shimon Joseph. I teach mathematics at Vedantu for the 11th and 12th standard students preparing for engineering entrance exams. So be it KVPY, JEE Mains, JEE Advanced, or even VIT or BitSat for that matter, we help you with all these exams to prepare in an efficient and smart manner. So my background, I did my BTech from IIT Madras. I was a JEE Main state topper in Tamil Nadu, and I was also a KVPY scholar back in 2012-2013. So that is what I have done. After that, I got into teaching because I love to interact with students. I love to help you guys get a better score, get a better rank in whatever exams you write. So I have helped a few of my students get into IIT Bombay, IIT Delhi Computer Science and so on. So now Vedantu has started this channel and sent us teachers here. Shreya sir, Wazim sir and I. So we are here to help you guys reach these amazing colleges that you dream of. Let it be IITs, NITs, VITs, SRMs. We are going to help you reach there. Got it? So it is going to be a fantastic journey. It is going to be a long journey, especially if you're in 11th standard. We have 2 years together. If you're in 12th standard, we still have 1 year together. So make sure you subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss out on any high quality lecture that goes on in this channel. Okay, so people, with that, let's get started. Are you all ready? So this is a channel which you're currently watching. It is called as Enthuse, Vedantu Enthuse. Enthuse means to excite, to motivate and make you guys enthusiastic about your preparation. So that is what we believe in this channel. We want to excite you guys so that you study on your own. And make sure you guys subscribe because like I told you, we have a long journey. It is not 1 day, 2 day. It is going to be 1 year and 2 years for some of you. So make sure you subscribe, share it to your friends and even your juniors or seniors whom you feel can benefit from watching the videos in this channel. And also like the videos so that your teachers are motivated, excited, because that is what we look for, right? That is what we get in return. So make sure you like the videos, show your love and support for all the teachers, not just this one, okay? And people, this is my Instagram ID. You can always message me there in case you have any doubt, you have any misconception, or you have any query regarding JEE preparation. You can always reach out to me, or if you just want to be my friend, you can follow me there. Got it? So shall we get started, people? Very good. Let's get into the topic. So are you all ready? Can you all give me a yo? Can you all show me some excitement? Let's see some fire in the chat. Let's see some fire in the chat. Vishesh, no man, I can complete it. I can complete even up to JEE Mains level in just 2.5 hours. I can do that. And I'm going to do that today. I will try to. As much as I can, I'm going to try and push myself. Okay. Yes, Trapti, I will do that, Trapti. Hello, Harshan. Nice to see you, Harshan. Yes, Prudvi, all the batches are equal level. They are all amazing. You can join any batch which you feel comfortable in. Okay. Yes, Raghodaman, I am planning to do it for maths. Shreyas sir is already doing it for physics. And Wazim sir will start in a short while for chemistry as well. So please stay tuned. You will definitely enjoy it. Okay. Jashwant, even if you don't know anything, you can learn something from today's class. So let's get started, people. Here we go. Let us learn binomial theorem. So all my ninjas, I hope you guys are ready. All my ninja boys and ninja girls. I hope you guys are all absolutely ready and pumped up for today's class. Here we go. So what is the objective for today? What am I going to teach you? So firstly, guys, I'm going to teach you guys from the basics. So many people were asking me, sir, I don't know ABCD of binomial theorem. So can I watch this lecture? Yes, my dear, you can watch it. Anybody who is a complete beginner, you guys also will understand something. Of course, it is going to be a bit fast because it is a marathon session, but you will get the entire hang of the subject. Okay. Because binomial theorem, I'm sure you guys know, for JEE Mains, it is an important topic and you need to use it in certain areas of PNC as well. So I'm going to show you some great properties, some great problems which we will solve and tackle together as a team. Okay, the first one, I'll start from the basics. What is a binomial expression and what is binomial expansion? What is a general term? What are the properties of binomial coefficients? Sum of binomial coefficients? What is the middle term of a binomial expansion? What is the numerically greatest term? Very important concept for JEE Advanced. Isn't that right? Numerically greatest term, I will teach you that as well. And I will teach you some important results, multinomial theorem. And we will discuss a lot of problems, because what is mathematics without problems, guys? Without problems, mathematics is like history and geography, right? You just have to cram up the formulas. That is not what we are here for. We are here for solving some amazing out-of-the-box thinking questions, which I will show you in a short while. Okay? So are you all ready? Can you all see that? That we are covering all the JEE Mains syllabus. Okay. Will it help in KVPY? Absolutely yes. So let's get started, my dear boys and girls. Here we go. The first and the foremost thing. What is the binomial expression? A binomial expression is an algebraic expression which has two terms, because bi means two. Bi means two. So you have an algebraic expression which has two terms. I'm sure you guys have all studied this in your lower classes. Algebraic expressions, monomial, binomial, trinomial, polynomial. I hope you guys are aware of it. Polynomial means you have many terms, monomial means you have a single term, and binomial means you have two terms. So when I say binomial, I refer to two terms expression, as simple as that. So what is a term? A term is something which has a variable, which has a coefficient, and some variable raised to some power. Okay, so here 4 is called as a coefficient, x is called as a variable, 2 is called as a constant. So 2 is also a term. So this 4x plus 2 is a binomial. Why? Because 4x is one term and 2 is another term. So this is a binomial example, binomial expression example. So here likewise you have x plus 2y, which is also a binomial expansion. Binomial expression. A plus b, binomial. 1 plus x, binomial. So these are all examples of binomial. I hope you guys got it. Are you all clear? Trapti, I'm glad you came on time. Shri Hari, yes, it will be useful for KVPY if you are in 12th standard. If you are in 11th standard, I don't think so, not much. Yes, Ani Reddy. Hello, Kirudiga. Welcome. When will NTA release JEE Main 4th attempt result? Vignesh, I have no idea, man. I think they have to release it this week. IIT JEE advanced registrations have been put off for now. Did you see that? Because JEE Mains is not releasing the result, right? Only after the JEE Mains results are out, IIT advanced registration can start. So it is a mess, but we'll have to wait and see because of that scam, man. Because of that problem that happened in one of the centers. So we'll have to wait and see. Let's not get anxious. Let's just be cool and prepare for the next one. Got it? Anu, I'm glad you're here. Complex numbers is not finished, Jitesh. I will do that also as a marathon because that way we will cover things much faster. Got it? Great. So people, let's go ahead and try to solve one question. Can you all try this out? This is how I'm going to go forward. I'm going to teach you guys the basics and I'm going to slowly take it up higher. So by the end of today's class, you guys will be ready to tackle, ready to take upon all these JEE Mains questions which are quite easy to handle. Okay, so people, try to solve it, everybody. I want all of you guys to do it. Please go for it. Harshan says B. Everybody says B. And you know what? You guys are absolutely right. Like always, you guys are smart. You guys are brilliant. Very good, boys and girls, because you have nailed it. You guys have nailed it. The answer is option B. Because you see, this has two terms. This has three terms. 1, 2, 3. Three terms is trinomial. Okay, it is not binomial. It is trinomial. And this is binomial. This is monomial. Only one term. This is again trinomial. So that is why option B is the right answer. Very basic. Nobody is going to ask you questions from this. But I'm going to slowly move forward to something amazing. I'm going to slowly move forward to something amazing which I want everybody to participate in. Exactly, Chitra. Chitra, it was a fantastic question, isn't it? Laddu. Lollipop question. Exactly. That's the right word, I would say. So people, I have an assignment for you. Can you guys write down all these things? Come on guys. Let's see how many of you can do it. And I want you to do it within 30 seconds. Let's see your memory. Everybody, please go for it. Pujita, you are awesome. That's right. Today, you will complete binomial theorem. Yes, I want to. If my energy, if my physical fitness is good, I will complete it. I have never done marathon sessions because I'm not very energetic, guys. But I will try to do it. Today I will try to complete binomial fully. That is what I am targeting. Okay. Typing all is not possible. Very good. Bhavin Jain has typed it, man. The first one. What is the first one answer? Everybody tell it in unison. Tell it together. The first one's answer. Everybody is right. It is 1. Because anything raised to the power 0, my dear boys and girls, is going to be 1. Anything raised to the power 0 is always going to be 1. What about the second one? The second one is very simple. It is just x plus a. Because anything raised to the power 1 is itself. As simple as that. But what about the next one? A plus b whole square. A square plus 2ab plus b square. As simple as that. What about the last one? Do you guys remember what is a plus b whole cube? Are you guys aware of it? Please think about it. Please think about it. Everybody. I want everybody to do it. Come on, guys. No one? Come on, guys. Why it is lengthy? It is not lengthy. Guys, it is very simple. X cube plus 3x square a plus 3xa square plus a cube. Is that correct? So everybody cool with it? So this, everybody is happy. Everybody is clear. Everybody comfortable? Because we have studied this from our lower classes. From 8th standard, 9th standard, 10th standard. We guys are all completely comfortable with this. Okay? So now people, let me take you higher. So people, this session everybody can watch. Don't get miscarried by the fact that I started off with Laddu questions. Sir, you are asking such Laddu questions, sir. I can solve this in LKG. But guys, don't worry. I'm going to scale it up high. I'm going to take you to JEE Mains level. So even if you are in 11th standard or 12th standard, it doesn't matter. You can watch this video. Okay, you can watch this video. Trust me, I have some brilliant questions to discuss with you. You will learn and revise the entire binomial theorem if you stick to me for the next 2 hours. So control, Stay put for 2 hours. You're going to learn something amazing. That is my guarantee. Okay. So here we go. So now people, these are all basic stuff. Everybody has done it. So nothing great, right? But now people, let me take you higher. Let me take you to higher stuff, because this is easy peasy lemon squeezy. Everybody can do this. Everybody can do this. This is not fancy. But now if I ask you, what will you do for x plus a to the power 5? Or what will you do for x plus a to the power n? What will you do in that case? Will you keep multiplying? Will you keep doing this forever? No. You need some expansion for very high powers of n, right? If I say n is 20, x plus a to the power 20, how will you do it? That is where, my dear boys and girls, binomial expansion will come to help you. What will come to help you? Here comes the binomial theorem. So this is where your binomial theorem will be so helpful to open up this expansion. That is what we will be looking at in this entire chapter. So in this entire chapter, what will we be doing? We'll be looking at the expansion of x plus a whole to the power n. As simple as that. Are you guys able to follow that? So shall I move forward? Everybody comfortable? Great. But before we go to binomial theorem, there are certain things which you guys have to know. What is that? What is NCR? How many of you know what is NCR? NCR, not Delhi. Okay, when I say NCR, people will be like, sir, I know NCR Delhi, sir. I know you guys are legends. Ultra legends, please. Don't go there. I know, I'm not talking about that Delhi NCR, guys. I'm talking about the NCR in mathematics. Are you guys aware of that? So Jitesh says, sir, I don't know. Harshan says, I don't know. So people, NCR, you study in your permutation and combination in your CBSE or your state board, whichever board you're studying, you should have studied it by now. But if you don't know, I will help you. I am therefore helping you guys. So please listen carefully, my dear boys and girls. If you don't know what is NCR, it might be a bit difficult to follow, but no worries, I will help you in a very, very easy manner. So listen carefully, guys. See, NCR means it is n factorial by n minus r factorial into r factorial. So this is how NCR is defined. What is NCR? It is the number of ways of selecting r objects from n objects. So if you have n objects, if I have to select r objects from that, then this is the number of ways in which you can do that. That is how NCR is defined. You study this in the chapter called as permutation and combination in your 11th standard. But guys, now the next question which everybody will have is, sir, what is this exclamation mark, sir? What is this exclamation mark? Should I be surprised after I tell n? No, guys. It is not about being surprised. It is not about being shocked after you tell n. It is n factorial. So 4 factorial means what? 4 factorial means 1 into 2 into 3 into 4. So n factorial means all the numbers multiplied up to n starting from 1. All the natural numbers multiplied up to n starting from 1. So n factorial is 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 all the way up to n. Did you all like it? So that is what is meant by n factorial. Now are you guys clear? Are you all happy? Pujita, Jitesh, you guys are awesome. You guys are awesome. Keep it up. Keep it up. Satish, amazing Satish. So now is it clear? Harshan and all the others who told, sir, I don't know what is n factorial. Sir, I don't know what is NCR. Now you guys are clear? What is R? R is this value over here. So for example, my dear boys and girls, if I give you 5C3, what is that equal to? That is equal to 5 factorial by 5 minus 3 factorial into 3 factorial, which is going to be 5 factorial by 2 factorial, 3 factorial. What is 5 factorial? 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5 divided by, what do you have? 1 into 2 is 2 factorial and 3 factorial is 1 into 2 into 3. So 1 into 2 into 3, 1 into 2 into 3 cancels. So 5 into 4 by 2. 5 into 4 by 2 is 10. So 5C3 is equal to 10. That's my answer. Did you all like it? So this is how you evaluate NCR. Are you guys able to follow now? Are you guys able to follow? So now I'm going to give you some questions. Can you guys find me what is 8C6, 9C6, and can you guys find me what is 10C5? Can you guys please do that? Come on people, these three homework for you right now. Right now, I want you to find 10C5, 8C6, 9C6. Come on, come on, come on, do it. Everybody do it. Very good. I have no idea, Jagadish. Why is NEET going to be conducted again? What is that news? Where did you hear it from? Okay, Deepak Anand, advanced questions I'm not sure, but for JEE Mains level, I have brought some good questions. That I can guarantee you. Very good, Lakshmi Nara Shimon. Very good. Satish, fantastic Satish. We will check it, don't worry. Roshni, amazing Roshni. Pradeep Rao, Pradeep, you are awesome. Aditya Ram, Harshavardhan, Narmada, Ravi Kirti, Aditya Ram, Meenakshi Sundar, DB Lions is all correct. Kirudiga, awesome Kirudiga. Harshan, I hope you are solving it. Very good Harshan, brilliant. Sai Bhaskar, Bhaskar, you are amazing. Okay, Bhaskar, you are amazing. Naresh, awesome Naresh. Tarun Cristiano, you are absolutely right. Lokineni Hinduja, very good Hinduja, you are right. Ahan, very good. Okay, okay, Jagadish. Jagadish, that is very unfortunate, man. I feel bad to hear that. I hope people in their families are all right. That is very bad decision by the students, but I do understand the pressure. So guys, let's solve it. So what is 8C6? 8C6 is 8 factorial by 8 minus 6 factorial and 6 factorial. So it will be what? 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5 into 6 into 7 into 8 into. That's it. Divided by 8 minus 6 is 2. 2 factorial is 1 into 2. And 6 factorial is 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5 into 6. So 1 to 6, 1 to 6 cancel. So you'll have what? 7 into 8 by 2. So that is equal to 28. So 8C6, my dear, is 28. Did you all like that? Are you all happy with it? Shubham, thank you so much, man, but it is long time over. Ria, yes, Ria, we are doing it in YouTube. I hope you are following it. Thank you, Varun. I'm so glad you're enjoying it. So, Hari Kishore, I am teaching in Drishti Batch C, man. I am teaching in Drishti Batch C. Okay. So, I hope you guys are all clear with this. Brilliant, guys. You are all amazing. So, now 9C6. How do you do 9C6? I'll tell you some small techniques. It is 9 factorial by 9 minus 6 factorial into 6 factorial. So, guys, here I'm going to use a shortcut. I'm going to use a shortcut because you guys are supposed to learn it by now. So 9 factorial by 6 factorial, I can cancel these two and write 7 into 8 into 9. How many of you understood that? How many of you understood that? 9 factorial by 6 factorial, directly I'll cancel it and I will write 7 into 8 into 9. Why? Because 9 factorial, before 7, you will have 1 to 6. So 1 to 6 will cancel with 6 factorial and directly I can write this. So that is a shortcut. I hope the newcomers have understood that. Okay, so that is why I'm writing it a bit slow. Otherwise, when I calculate, I write directly the answer. Okay, but I'm doing it slowly so that you guys understand it. Okay, so now what is 3 factorial? 3 factorial, my dear students, is 1 into 2 into 3. So 1 into 2 into 3, if I cancel it, I'll get what? I will get 84. So 9C6 is 84. Did you guys like that? Everybody cool? Fantastic. Last one. Let's be fast. What do we have here? We have 10C5, right? So 10C5 is 10 factorial by 10 minus 5 factorial into 5 factorial. So that will be what? 10 factorial by 5 factorial, 5 factorial. Now 1 5 factorial, 1 5 factorial cancel. You will have 6 into 7 into 8 into 9 into 10. Got it? So you have 6 into 7 into 8 into 9 into 10 divided by, you will have 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5. Are you all happy? So I will cancel 2 and 5, 10, gone. So now you have what? You have 3 and 9. And then you have 4 and 8. So you'll have 42 into 6. 42 into 6 is 252, I guess. So that is my answer for 10C5. Are you guys happy? Is that right? Very good, Harshan. Very good, Satish. You guys are legendary, man. You guys are super smart. I'm so happy you guys are able to catch up these things very fast. Harshavardhan, Misa, you're right. Ankit, Aditya, Roshni, Satish, Meenakshi Sundar, you are amazing. Chitra, Ravi, DBK Lions, you are right. Sai Bhaskar, Apurv Shukla, brilliant, brilliant. Keep it up, guys. I want the same energy throughout the class. Now we are coming to the general expansion of binomial theorem. I want every single person in the class to follow this carefully because, guys, this is going to be amazing. Amazing. Hello, I don't know. Welcome to the class. I'm so happy that you have come here. So people, we have x plus y to the power n. So do you remember I told you x plus y power 1, you guys can do it. X plus y to the power 2, you guys can do it. X plus y to the power 3, yes, it is lengthy, but you guys can do it. But when I ask you x plus y power 4, x plus y power 5, x plus y power 10, x plus y power 100, it becomes difficult. That is where you guys become slow. So that is where your binomial expansion will be so useful so that you guys can immediately expand even if I ask you x plus y to the power 1000. Even if I ask you x plus y to the power 1000, you guys will be able to do it like that after I teach you this formula. Okay, so please make a note of this formula, guys. Okay, please make a note of this formula. What do we have? We have x plus y to the power n is equal to what? It is equal to nc0. You start with x to the power n, y to the power 0. Then you have nc1, x to the power n minus 1. So guys, see, x starts with power n, y starts with 0. Reduce x by 1, increase y by 1. Reduce the power of x by 1, increase the power of y by 1. So that is how it keeps going. So whatever is the power of y, the same thing you will have here. Whatever is the power of y, the same thing you will have here. So nc2, x to the power n minus 2, y to the power 2, all the way up to last two terms will be what? Nc n minus 1, x to the power 1, y to the power n minus 1, plus Ncn, x to the power 0, y to the power n. This is how the binomial expansion looks like. Please go through it, guys. Shivam Sharma, please tell me what is your doubt. I will help you. Okay, Shivam, I was teaching you the binomial expansion of x plus y to the power n. So, Shivam, x plus y power 1, we know. X plus y power 2, we also know that. X plus y power 3, we know from 10th standard, cubic formula, right? But when I go to higher power, Shivam, let's say x plus y to the power 10, x plus y to the power 20. So that time you don't know how to expand it, right? So that is when these expansions are very important. This binomial theorem formula is very, very important. Got it, Shivam? So that is why I'm giving you a general formula. Don't worry, Shivam, I will show you how to use it, okay? So let's try to check it. So guys, let's check it for 3. Let's check whether this formula is correct or not. Shall we all do that? Let's do it so that you guys understand it. Okay, so let's do it for x plus y power 3. So now x plus y power 3, if I use this formula, what will I get? 3c0. 3c0 x to the power 3 y to the power 0 plus 3c1 x to the power 2 y to the power 1 plus 3c2 x to the power 1 y to the power 2 plus 3c3 y x to the power 0 y to the power 3. So now what is 3c0? 3c0, guys, any number c0 is 1. Any number c0 is 1. So 3c0 is 1. So 1 into x cube plus 3c1 is 3. You can check it. I told you how to find 3c1. You do it and check it. It will be 3. So 3x square y plus 3c2 is also 3. So 3c2 is also 3. So you'll have 3 into xy square plus last one 3c3 is 1. So you'll have y cube. So did I get the correct formula? Did I get a plus b whole cube formula? Yes. Beautiful, na? Hello, Gun Sharp. Welcome. Ritika, welcome. Rita Bata, welcome. Very good evening, Rita Bata. Nice to see you. No problem, guys. I'm glad you chose to join it today. It is a very good session. We are going to complete the entire binomial theorem in a very fun and interesting manner. Harshan, brilliant. Jitesh, I'm glad you liked it, Jitesh. So guys, now did you understand how this formula can be used to get the binomial expansion of any power that you have? Any positive integral power. Power 3, power 4, power 5. I can use this formula to get the expansion of x plus y whole to the power n. Now do you understand the power of this? The use of this binomial theorem? Now I'm sure you guys are able to appreciate it better. Okay. Now I think you guys are able to appreciate it better, isn't it? Hello Banu Prakash, welcome man. Diyala Govardhan, I have not done it. I think I will do it in the coming days. Okay, very good people. Roshni, I am glad you enjoyed it. So now let me come back to the basics. I want to show you some observation. So first of all guys, how many of you can visualize the number of terms in this expansion? The number of terms in this expansion, can anybody tell me? Let me see if you guys are able to answer it. I know the answer is given on the screen, but I want you guys to think about it. How many of you can tell me the number of terms in this expansion? No. It is not n terms. No Kirudiga. It is not infinite Kirudiga. Please think about it. It is ending at n. So the answer is n plus 1 terms. The answer is n plus 1 terms. So whenever you have x plus y whole power n, this expansion will have how many terms? It will have n plus 1 terms. Please do not forget that guys. It is very important that you remember it. Are you all happy with that? Very good. Tejas, you are right. Christopher, Ganshar, Pujita, Jitesh, Meenakshi, Abhilash Reddy, you guys are awesome. How sir? Can you please explain it? Yes, I will explain it. Listen carefully. So the first term, the first coefficient. So this is what we call as binomial coefficients. So binomial coefficients, if you see, the first one is NC0, the second one is NC1, the third one is NC2. Like that it goes all the way up to NCN. So if you start from 0 and go all the way up to n, how many terms do you have? You will have n plus 1 terms, because my dear boys and girls, from 1 to n you have n terms. From 1 to n you have n terms. So on top of that you have this also, right? So n plus 1 terms. That is how you understand it. Did you like it now? Are you guys happy? Yes. Pradeep Rao, you are amazing. That is how you understand it. Are you all clear with it? Did you all like it? Everybody good? Abhay, I started at 5 o'clock. Abhay, this is a marathon session. So even if you join now, you will be able to follow. It will be a fantastic session wherein we cover the entire binomial theorem in just one shot. I'm going to do some brilliant questions which can help you at least get ready for JEE Mains level. I cannot guarantee JEE Advanced level in one class. Of course, I can't do that. But yeah, for JEE Mains, I will surely help you guys prepare. Parthasarathi, JEE Mains result, I don't know man. It will not be discussed today. It will not be declared today for sure. But I think in the coming week, it will be declared because they had some delay due to the scam. Okay, but I think they will let you know. Please don't be anxious. Right now, focus on the next exam. Maybe JEE Advanced, you can prepare for it. Got it? That is what I would recommend. So people, did you all like it? Did you all like it? Are you all happy? So now, the most important formula, I'm going to discuss it, which is the general term of a binomial expansion. So guys, this is a very important topic because based on this, I have a lot of questions coming up. So everybody, if you want to be a part of this session, you have to pay attention right now because based on this general term, I'm going to give you at least 5 questions. I'm going to give you at least 5 questions. So are you guys ready? Can I get some yes? Can I get some yo from the chat? Please do that, guys. Gun Sharp, welcome. Brilliant, man. What scam? Jitesh, don't worry about it. Let's not discuss about it right now. I will talk to you at the end of the class or maybe when we are chilling. Okay? Very good. Aryan, welcome Aryan. Nice to have you, man. You're in 10th. You're following our lectures. You are awesome. Welcome to this channel, Aryan. We are happy to have you here. Great. Fantastic. So people, now I'm going to teach you the general term. So my dear boys and girls, do you all agree this is the first term? And my dear boys and girls, do you all agree this is the second term? And my dear boys and my dear girls, do you all agree this is the third term? And you all must agree that this is your n plus 1th term. Everybody cool? So based on this pattern, can I say the r plus 1th term is nothing but NCR into x to the power n minus r, y to the power r? How many of you agree with me on that? You take n plus 1th term, you put r equal to n, because n plus 1 means r is n, right? NCN x to the power n minus n 0, yes, y to the power n, correct na? Perfect. You put the third term means t r plus 1 is 3. So r plus 1 3 means r is 2. So third term means r is 2. So NC2, yes. X to the power n minus 2, yes. Y to the power 2, yes. So this is how you write the r plus 1th term. Guys, this is the most important formula in the entire chapter. Most important for JEE Mains. Okay, for mains it is very important. Are you all clear? Did you all like it? Did you all understand how it works? I hope you guys are following it. If anybody has a doubt, please let me know. Sudhir Vlogs, Sudhir, you are awesome. Sir, NEET physics was tough. Okay, NEET biology notes. I didn't know that. I heard it was good. I heard the paper was a bit easy. Deepak Anand, thank you so much. Give an example, please. Yes, Meenakshi, Sundar, I have many good questions coming up, so please wait for it. Are you all happy with it, boys and girls? Shall I go forward? Okay, everybody wants an example, so let's do an example. So we know x plus y whole cube is equal to what? We know it is x cube plus 3x square y plus 3xy square plus y cube. So now in that, let's say I want to find out the third term. So I want to find out the third term. So third term can be written as t2 plus 1. So that will be equal to what? nc2 x to the power n minus 2, x to the power 3 minus 2, y to the power r, y to the power 2. So it will be 3c2 x to the power 1, y to the power 2. 3c2 is what? 3. So 3x to the power 1, y to the power 2. So is this the same as this? Did I get the same? Did you understand the example? Am I making it clear for you? Am I helping you guys visualize? Because this is how I feel students should study. This is how I feel students should study, in such a way that they are able to correlate and understand and visualize what is happening, so that you never need to mug up. Got it? So shall I proceed, guys? Are you all happy? What is T? T is the term. Ravi Kirti, term 3. Term 3 is nothing but term 2 plus 1, right? So you can write it like that. That is what I have done. Guys, T is nothing but the term. So third term means this term, like that. So I wrote the actual expression and I showed it to you by formula. The third term formula, if you use, you will get the same answers. So you can compare and you can check that they are the same. Are you all clear with it? Very good, very good. Yes, Singaravel, this chapter is very important for JEE Mains. You have to be thorough in this. So guys, please do this. Come on. Simple questions which I want everybody to participate. Everybody go for it. Ronaldo. Yes, Manchester United. 2 goals. 2 goals in the first match. Awesome. Nobody could have asked for a better opening. Nobody could have asked for a better opening. Isn't that right? He had a very nice opening match. Brilliant. Arnav. Very good, Arnav. You guys are awesome. Abhay Gupta. Maulesh. I'm not sure. Narmada. Pujita. Jitesh. Gunsharp. What is the answer? Best debut. Exactly, man. Absolutely. Nobody could have asked for a better starting. And I saw a meme. I don't want to offend anybody, but the number of goals scored by Ronaldo is more than Arsenal's total goal. I hope there's no Arsenal fan in the chat. If there is any Arsenal fan, I'm sorry guys. Okay, don't feel bad. Okay, so guys, let's get started. Okay. So people, let's get started. So you have what? You have something like a minus b to the power n. So I told you the number of terms. The number of terms is how much? The number of terms is equal to n plus 1. Isn't that right? So the number of terms is n plus 1. The answer is 18 plus 1. So 18 plus 1 is 19. But guys, please remember, this formula can only be used for, the number of terms formula can only be used for binomial expansion. Okay. Only for binomial expansion, the number of terms is n plus 1. Don't use it for multinomial, trinomial. Don't use it there. Okay. Please remember, I hope all of you are clear with it. Do not use it any other place. Only for binomial you have to use this formula, no other place. So the answer is 19. Everybody is absolutely right. Okay. Hari Krishna Priya. Thank you so much, Hari Krishna Priya. I am so glad you are enjoying it. This is your first class. Awesome. I am glad you came to our channel. I hope you enjoy the videos. Okay. So with that, people, let's move forward. One more question. Come on, people. Everybody try to solve it. So I want you to find the sixth term. So guys, I want you to find T6. So T6 is what? I will give it to you the first step. It is T5 plus 1. Now you guys can do it. So this is how you have to do it. What is multinomial theorem? I will show you how to do that. Pradeep Rao, multinomial, trinomial, I will teach you at the end of the class. That is the last topic for today. Okay, we are just starting. We still have 2 hours to go. So we'll have a lot of things to cover. Don't worry. I will try to finish off the entire chapter. I am trying to do that. Waiting for your micro course. Dalston, my micro course is already scheduled. Please join the pro subscription. Guys, I am teaching micro course in Vedantu pro subscription. So if you want to attend my classes, 12th standard term 1 exam, I am teaching inverse trigonometry and matrices and determinants. Shreyas sir is teaching electrostatics, EMI, AC. Wazim sir is teaching solid state and solutions. So in case you guys want to come and attend my class, please take the pro subscription and the link is given below in the description. Are you a Tamilian? Yes, Ashwin, I am from Chennai, man. I am from Chennai. Very good, Dalston. Amazing. Ravi Kirti, brilliant. Aditya, very good. Many people have got the answer. Okay. Hari Krishna Priya, I will tell you, don't worry. T6 Hari Priya is nothing but T5 plus 1. T5 plus 1 I can write it as NCR. So this is R Hari Priya. This is N. Okay. So it is NCR. The formula. Na? I gave you a formula some time back. Got it? So please make sure you refer back to that formula. NCR. You will have what? The first term. You will have 2x square whole to the power n minus r into the second term, which is minus 1 by 3x square whole to the power r. So what is the answer? 10C5 we found out. You remember? It is 252. We found out 10C5. You remember that? It is 252. So 252, you will have 2x square whole power 5 into minus 1 by 3x square whole power 5. So it is going to be what? It is going to be 252 into 32 into x to the power 10 into minus 1 by 3 to the power 3 is 243 x to the power 10. So x to the power 10, x to the power 10 will get cancelled. So this is my answer. So I can cancel off some of them. 3 tables, this will be 84. 3 tables, it will be 81. Again 3 tables will be 27. It will be 28. So 28 into 32. 28 into 32 is 896, I guess, from the options. And you have 27 with a minus 1. So the answer is minus 896 by 27. Option C. Deepa Kannan, you are absolutely right. Amazing. Guys, everybody told D. D, you are wrong. D is not correct. Oh, Ashwin, you are also from Chennai. That's awesome, man. Nice to know that. Great, great, great. Gun Sharp, brilliant. He is the man with the most international goals on the planet right now. Absolutely, Tarun. I'm sure he'll score a lot more now that he has come to Manchester United. Very good. So, are you all clear? Shall I move forward? Did you all like it? Are you able to understand it? Can we extend it from Pascal Triangle? Ramesh, Pascal Triangle is good only for small powers like x plus y to the power 5, x plus y to the power 6, x plus y to the power 7. Yes, for that, Ramesh, you can use Pascal's Triangle. But for higher powers, you cannot, man. So don't worry about Pascal Triangle. Pascal Triangle is just a basic idea. But Binomial Theorem is super powerful. That is the king. Okay. Rajesh, that's fantastic, Rajesh. Nice to see you. Great. So with that, people, let's get started with the next one. Here we go. Please try to do it, guys. Come on. Everybody try to participate. I want every single person to try and solve these questions very quickly so that we can move forward. Pascal's Triangle, Jitesh, don't worry about it. It is not important. You can read about it online. You can Google it and read about it online on your own, Jitesh. It is not important to be covered in today's class. So people, now I want everybody to focus on this. So the seventh term, what is seventh term? T7 is nothing but T6 plus 1. T6 plus 1 is what? 9C6 NCR. NCR into first term. You'll have 84 to the power 1 by 3 whole raised to the power 9 minus 6. 9 minus 6 is 3. Then second term, root 3 ln x whole to the power r. So this is what we have, and that is equal to how much? That is equal to 729. So you'll have 729 is equal to 9C6 is how much? 9C6 is 84. We studied that. You remember? Today in the start of the class I gave you. Today in the start of the class I gave you this. 9C6 is 84. 84, 3 cube is 27 by 84 power 1 by 3 whole power 3 is 84 only. Into, you will have what? Root 3 power 6. Root 3 power 6 is what? It is again 27 into ln x power 6. So this is what we have. So 84, 84 cancel. 27, 27 is 729. So you will have ln x power 6 is equal to 1. Which means ln x is equal to 1. If ln x is equal to 1, then x is equal to e. So that is my answer. Did you all like it? Did you all like it? Hello Sudhir Vlogs. Nice man. You're from Tirupati. I hope you are able to follow these questions. Did you all like it? Hari Priya, you are right. Gun sharp. Amazing. Very good, Tushar. I'm glad you came to my class. Yes, Sudhir, I know, man. Meenakshi Sundar, you are right. Cristiano, brilliant. Laddu question, very good. I'm glad you are able to find it easy. So what about others? Did everybody find it easy? Did everybody like it? Guys, please let me know. How are you all enjoying the session? Did you all love the questions? Very good, Kaushik Aditya. You are amazing. Singaram, I'm happy that you are following it. Okay, Jitesh. Jitesh, no problem. Mahesh Yadav, fantastic Mahesh. Very good, Priya. Brilliant. Ishwara, brilliant. Great. So with that, let's go to the next one. I hope you guys are all happy with whatever we have done so far. Now people, I'm going to talk about some important conclusions. Are you all ready? Shall we get started? Ganesh, thank you so much, Ganesh. I'm glad you are able to follow. So people, when you look at x plus a to the power n, so let me show you the expansion. So when you have x plus a to the power n, the expansion is what? NC0 x to the power n a to the power 0 plus NC1 x to the power n minus 1 a to the power 1 plus NC2 x to the power n minus 2 a to the power 2 and so on, right? Plus NC3 x to the power n minus 3 a to the power 3 and so on till last term is NCn x to the power 0 a to the power n. Now, if you look at this expansion, guys, can you see that the powers of x and a, if you add it, you will always get n. The powers of x and a, if you add it, you will always get n. The powers of x and a, if you add it, you will always get n. The powers of x and a, if you add it, you will always get n. So, this is a very beautiful observation. I hope you guys are able to follow that. Everybody cool with it? Selva Manikandan, yes, this chapter is very important for JEE Mains. You have to be good at it. Shabna, thank you so much, Shabna. Welcome. I'm glad you are enjoying it. Very good. So that is the first observation. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Now, what is the second observation? The second observation is more of a property of NCR. What is the property of NCR? The property of NCR says, so my dear boys and girls, this is brilliant. NCR is equal to NC n minus r. What, sir? Are you serious? Yes, that means, sir, 8C6 is equal to 8C 8 minus 6, which is equal to 8C2. And 10C4 is equal to 10C 10 minus 4, which is equal to 10C6. So 11C2 is equal to 11C9. So because of that property, these three results are true. Can you follow that? Are you guys able to understand this? Very good, Devesh. Devesh, you are awesome. Sudhir, amazing Sudhir. Very good, very good. Jitesh, gun sharp, you guys are awesome. So people, this is a very crucial property. I want everybody who is new to 11th standard to remember this. All good? So now I'm going to teach you how to derive it. So people, you have NCR and you have NCn minus R. So what is NCR formula? It is n factorial by n minus r factorial into r factorial. What is NCn minus r? It is n factorial by n minus r factorial into n minus r factorial. So if I simplify it, I'll get n factorial by n minus n will become 0, minus of minus r will become r factorial into n minus r factorial. So this is the same as this. So they both are equal. If they both are equal, then these two are also equal. Laddu. Laddu. Are you all clear? Did you all like it? Ishwara, fantastic. You are amazing. Abhay, I just derived it, Abhay. Did you like it? Are you able to understand it? Yes. Lakshmi Balan, welcome Lakshmi Balan. Singaram, I'm glad you enjoyed it. Very good. Perfect. Hello Lakshmi Balan, welcome man, Vanakkam. Brilliant Roshni. Very good. So with that people, let's go forward and try to tackle some questions. Like always, whenever you study something, try to test it with a beautiful question. Come on people, everybody try to solve it. I want all of you guys to go for it. It is a very interesting one. Very good Jayvant. Jayvant, I'm so glad you made it to the session. I'm happy to have you here. No problem. Very good Abhay. Abhay, very good man. Brilliant. I'm glad you understood it. Abhishek Kushwaha. Welcome Abhishek. Jitesh, you are awesome. You are a legend man. Thank you Lakshmi Balan. I'm glad to hear that man. That is so sweet of you. It is because of your hard work. That is very important. You took the effort to go through the videos. That is awesome. Great. Roshni, you are right. So people, the answer is 6. It is not 7. So let me tell you how to solve it. So I told you, right, the powers of x and y should add up to give n. So the powers of x and the power of y should add up to give 20. Isn't that right? This plus this should give you this value. So 14 plus r should be equal to 20. Because you take any general term. If you take any general term, you have NCR, x to the power n minus r, y to the power r. So you add these two powers, you get n, you get this term. So the power of x plus power of y should give you the n value. So that is why r is equal to 6. So that is how you get the answer. I hope you liked it. Simple. Did you all like it? Simple. Everybody cool with it? Shall I proceed, my dear boys and girls? Ravi Narayan. Welcome Ravi Narayan. Happy to have you here. Amazing. Jitesh, Gansharp, you guys are awesome. Keep it up. So people, with that, let's go to the next question. Here we go. Please note down these formulas. I'm going to help you guys with all of them. Please listen carefully. So first make a note of this, guys. Everybody, these are all properties of binomial coefficients. Very crucial for solving questions. Please note them down. Okay, so I'll show you how to use them. Please listen carefully. Let's go through them one by one. So the first one is, let's say you have 6c5 plus 6c4. Can you guys tell me what that will be equal to? Can you guys tell me what that will be equal to? Please let me know, my dear boys and girls. By using the first formula. By using the first formula, reduce that, simplify that. That's how you understand it. That's how you understand it. Please let me know, my dear boys and girls. Very good, Pradeep. Pradeep Rao, you are absolutely right. It is 7c5. So similarly, 10c7 plus 10c6 is equal to 11C7. So that's how you use the first property. Are you guys able to get it? Are you guys able to understand? Rita Brata, no, it is not 5C5, it is 7C5 because it is n plus 1. It is n plus 1, my dear. Okay. So n plus 1 means 6 plus 1 will become 7. Are you clear? Did you all like it? So I showed you how to apply it. The second one, I will teach you a brilliant way to remember it. Don't worry. But before we go to the second one, the first one, I want everybody to confirm. Are you guys happy with it? Did you guys understand the way I got the first one? The way I helped you visualize it? Did you all get it? Hello, Snake Babu. Welcome, man. Nice to see you here. Shabna, brilliant. Very good. Deepa, Kanan, I'm glad you are enjoying it. Great, great. I hope it is useful for you. Very good. So people, let's go to the second one. The second one is pretty simple. So guys, whenever you have NCR, okay, so what I'll do is take out N, take out R. Okay. Yes, Harshavardhan, I am taking micro courses for 12th standard on September 20th. You can join through the pro subscription. The link is given below in this video. Just click on the link below this video, join the pro subscription. You can come and be a part of my classes. Okay, so people, take N and R outside. So numerator take N outside, denominator take R outside. So if you take N outside, you reduce one value in the top and you reduce one value in the bottom. So that is your second formula. Did you like it? That is your second formula. I hope you liked it. So that is a very easy way to remember, right? So N comes out, R comes out. So N by R into N minus 1, C, R minus 1. Brilliant. Are you all happy with it? Yes, Hitman. Hitman, I'm going to cover the entire binomial theorem. Don't worry about it. Okay. Great. So the next formula, I will try to derive it for you. But guys, more than derivation, I want you to remember the way. Because like I told you, JEE Mains is an exam which tests how you apply the formula rather than how to derive it. Nobody cares about the derivation, but what people care about is how you apply these formulas. So let me show you how to remember them. Please listen carefully. So you do N minus bottom. N minus bottom. What is bottom? Bottom is R minus 1, right? N minus the subscript in the bottom divided by N minus subscript in the top. That's it. So that is what we have here, right? Okay. I'm sorry guys, it is not N minus R. It is N. It is just R. I'm sorry. Okay. So it is N minus subscript in the bottom divided by subscript in the top. Got it? N minus your subscript in the bottom divided by subscript in the top. As simple as that. Are you guys clear? So I will help you derive it also in case you are interested. So guys, NCR is what? NCR is n factorial by r factorial into n minus r factorial divided by NCR minus 1 is n factorial by n minus r minus 1 factorial into r minus 1 factorial. So n factorial gets cancelled. So you will have what? You will have r minus 1 factorial into n minus r plus 1 factorial divided by r factorial into n minus r factorial. So r minus 1 factorial, r factorial, you will get 1 by r. N minus r factorial, n minus r plus 1, cancel, you will get n minus r plus 1. Okay, so you will have n minus r plus 1 divided by r. That's how the formula comes. Are you all clear? Did you all like it? Hello Rajamanikam, welcome man. Of course I remember you. Okay. Pradeep Rao, I hope you understood the derivation. But like I told you, derivation is not very important, but the formula is more important. I told you a way to remember the formula also. Okay. Tarun, no problem Tarun. You can watch the replay later on. Hello Gokulnath, welcome. Roshni, brilliant. Okay. So guys, how do you remember the formula? Let me explain it again. You have NCR by NCR minus 1. So what is the formula? Top minus bottom. So top minus bottom divided by subscript of the top. Subscript of the top is R. So that's how you remember it. I hope you guys got it. Very simple. And this one I already explained it to you. So this I think everybody knows. Okay. And the last one is also pretty simple. I think all of this you guys must have understood by now. So shall I move forward to questions? Are you guys ready? Very good. Ratna, good evening Ratna, welcome man. Narmada, fantastic. So people, are you all ready for some questions? Did you go through this? Did you all write it down? Remo, what chapter is going on? Binomial Theorem, Remo. Binomial Theorem, I'm trying to take it as a one-shot session. I'm going to cover the entire chapter in this particular class. So let's try to conquer it together. Okay? Abai is ready. Very good, Abai. I love the energy. You guys are awesome. Kushi, welcome Kushi. Nice to see you. So here we go, people. This is the question for you guys. Please try to solve it. It's a good question. It is a good question. Devesh, I have proved the third one. Please pull the video back and try to watch it. Devesh, I proved it in the previous slides. Just pull the video back and watch it, Devesh. I'm sure you'll be able to understand, man. Let's not do it again because that will unnecessarily delay the class. Okay? No problem, Jaivan. If you are good, if you are fast, then no worries, man. Okay? There is no need to prove anything here. If you guys are learning, I'll be the happiest person because that is what matters to me the most. And that is what Vedantu also cares about. Okay, we want you guys to improve. That is why we take responsibility for you. Even if it is YouTube. Okay, so make sure you guys keep improving, keep learning whenever you come to attend a class in our channel. That is what we want. So people, please try to complete it. If you have any doubt, let me know. I will help you. But everybody should solve it, okay? How to be good at physics? Singaram, for physics you need to practice a lot, man. So physics is a subject which requires a lot of practice, a lot of thinking. You need to do it with a free mind, with your open thinking. That is what will make you better. You should not do it like a duty. You should not do it like for namesake. You should be actively involved, thinking about what is happening, thinking about the motion given in the question. So all that will help you to become a better visualizer and that will help you in problem solving. Got it? Okay, Remo, I hope you will get better. Don't worry. Take care of your health, man. That is more important. So people, are you all done? Nobody is solving it. What happened, guys? What happened? Everybody, please let me know how excited, how ready are you guys to solve this question? Samim Ahmad, welcome Samim. Nice to see you. Singaram, I hope you got it. So people, let's try to solve it. What do you have? The 21st and 22nd terms in this expansion are equal. Then find the value of x. So guys, what is the 21st term? T21 is equal to T20 plus 1. So what will that be equal to? That will be equal to 44 C20. You will have 1 to the power 24 and you will have minus x to the power 20. Is that right? And what is T22? T22 is equal to T21 plus 1, which will be equal to 44 C21 into 1 to the power 23 minus x to the power 21. Is that clear? Now these two coefficients, so the terms are equal. So these two are equal. That means these two are equal. If these two are equal, what can I say? Can you guys help me over here? What will I get, people? Can you all please try it out? You will get 44C20 by 44C21 is equal to, what will I get? Any idea? I will get it to be equal to minus x. So people, I'll get minus 1 by x is equal to 44C21 divided by 44C20. So you have NCR by NCR minus 1. So it is going to be top minus bottom. So 44 minus 20 divided by top minus subscript of the top. Got it? Or only subscript of the top. Again, I wrote it wrong. I hope you guys are able to understand. So top minus bottom by subscript of the top, which is 21. So it will be 24 by 21. 24 by 21 is what? 8 by 7. So 8 by 7 is what you have. So minus 1 by x is 8 by 7. So x is equal to minus 7 by 8. So option D is correct. Did you all like it? Option D is right, my dear boys and girls. How many of you liked it? Did you all get it? Madhi Yuki, no problem. You can watch it at faster speed and you can follow us. Pradeep, I'm so glad you got it. Hello Akida. Hello Jayaraman Balaji. Welcome Jayaraman. Very good Rita Brata. Ishwara, you are amazing. Great job. Roshni, superb. You have absolutely got it right, Roshni. Good job. Venish Kumar, welcome Venish. Jitesh Yadav, superb. Superb. Great. Hello Jayaraman, nice to see you, man. Welcome to this channel. We are happy to have you here. We are very glad to have you here. So with that, people, let's go to the next question. Can you all please try it out? Come on, people. This is a tough question. This is a typical JEE Mains question. So if you guys are able to solve this, that means you are ready to take on even questions of JEE Main level. You are ready to take on even questions of JEE Mains level. So please try to solve it, my dear boys and girls. Everybody go for it. Hello Ashwini. Welcome Ashwini. Nice to see you here. Great, great, great. Jitesh, try to avoid mistakes, man. Try to avoid mistakes because mistakes in these questions are very costly. They are questions where you can get a lot of marks. So don't lose them, okay? Very good, Ganshar. Singaram says 744. Are you sure? I don't think so, man. Very good, Ankit. You are awesome. Abhay, don't be nervous, man. This is a very chill class. So we are not going to scold you if you don't get it. But I want you to try. I want you to give your full effort. Because here is the place where you can make mistakes. You can learn from your mistakes. Got it? So try to be chill. Try to be calm. And make mistakes happily. Don't worry. In exams, you will not. When you make mistakes while you practice, in exams, you can avoid it. Okay? Great. $745. What is $745, man? Great, great, great. Is JEE a Phillips? No, no, no. There is no Phillips. That is integer type. That is MCQ. That is single correct. But no fill in the blanks. Those days are gone. Okay. Very good. So people, Biju Alex, thank you so much. I'm so happy that this session is helping you. So people, let's try to solve this. What do we have here? So we have the three consecutive coefficients are in the ratio 2:5:12. Is that right? So let's take them to be TR plus 1 and you have TR plus 2. Okay. So we have what? TR plus 1 by TR is equal to 5/2, right? And TR plus 2 by TR plus 1 is equal to 12/5. So these two expressions are enough. These two expressions are enough. Okay. So what is the coefficient here? The coefficient in TR plus 1 is NCR, only coefficient. That's enough. Divided by TR is nothing but NCR minus 1. So that is equal to what? N minus R plus 1 by R is equal to 5/2. Similarly here, it is NCR plus 1 divided by NCR. Is that right? So it's going to be N minus R by R plus 1. That is equal to 12/5. So guys, you have two equations, two unknowns. Can you solve it and get the answer? Please do it. So you have one equation here, one equation here. Can you guys solve it and get the answer? Please do it, guys. Come on. Please do it. Guys, TR plus 1 is what? TR plus 1 is nothing but NCR. You'll have 1 to the power N minus R into 1 by X to the power R. So coefficient only they're asking, right? So I don't care about this. Only coefficient. So this is the coefficient. Similarly for TR, it will be NCR minus 1. So TR plus 2, it will be NCR plus 1. So the coefficient is NCR plus 1. The coefficient is NCR. The coefficient is NCR minus 1. So I want only coefficients ratio. So that is what I have done here. So can you guys solve it now? Two linear equations. Solve it. Get the value of n. Please do it, guys. This much you should be able to do it. Okay. You should be able to do it. Nikhil, this is a marathon. It will go up to 7 o'clock for sure. So please do wait. Until then, we'll have a fantastic time. Okay. Are you guys ready? People, Are you all ready? N is equal to 48. Pradeep Rao, I think you are absolutely right. Good job. Good job. Absolutely right, I guess. Venkatesh, very good Venkatesh. You are amazing. What about others? Did everybody get the value of N? Yes, Nikhil Krishna, no problem. You can watch it from the starting. When you finish this chapter in this lecture, Venkatesh, I will try my best, man. I will try my best. As long as I can speak, I will take it. But if I get too tired, I might stop because I'm not used to marathons, okay? But I'll try to complete it, Venkatesh. Don't worry. I will try to complete all the portions required for your CBSE and JEE Mains. Got it? That is my plan. Jitesh, Singaram, you guys are absolutely awesome. Pradeep Rao, you are amazing. Yes, Pradeep, you can take it that way also. That is also not wrong. You can do that. So people, the answer is N is equal to 48. And guys, N equal to 48 is not right. What did you say? It is 118. What is the two equations I got? Let me solve it then. So I had N minus R plus 1 by R is equal to 5 by 2. And I had N minus R by R plus 1 is equal to 12 by 5. So you'll have what? You'll have 2N minus 2R minus 5R minus 7R plus 2. So plus 2 is equal to 0. Then you'll have what? You'll have 5N minus 5R minus 12R minus 17R. Then you'll be equal to 12. Is that right? Are you all happy? So you have to basically solve these two equations. Can you guys please solve that? Can you guys please solve this? Everybody, please do it. Come on, guys. So you should get N is equal to 118 and R is equal to 34. Are you getting that? Can you please check it out? Everybody, please go for it, guys. Everybody, please go for it. Go for it. Okay. So you will get N to be 118. You will get R to be 34. That is the answer. Getting it now? Come on, guys. You cannot afford to go wrong in these questions. These questions are the ones where you try to score it and get the marks. Okay. Hello, Aditya. Fantastic. Venish Kumar. Brilliant. So with that, people, let's go to the next one. Are you all ready for a riddle? So I brought riddles also. So guys, let's relax for a while. So all of you chill, try to tackle this riddle, drink some water, and then we will continue. Okay. So please try it out, guys. Come on, everybody. Okay. Aditya Ram, very good. Pradeep, no worries, Pradeep. Try to be more careful from now on, okay? And if you have any doubts or any questions, please let me know. So guys, what is the answer? This is a riddle, man. So on my way to St. Ives, I saw a man with 7 wives. Each wife had 7 sacks. Each sack had 7 cats. Each cat had 7 kittens. Kitten, cats, sacks, wives. Okay. How many were going to St. Ives? Can you guys please let me know? 2401. Very good. Shakti. Shakti, you are awesome. So Shakti is correct. Okay. So guys, Shakti's answer is correct. Did you all like it? So the answer is only 1 because only I am on my way to St. Ives. Nobody else is going to Ives. It is just that you are passing by them. So the answer is 1. Sahaya. I hope you liked it. Okay. The answer is not 2401. It is just 1. Got it? Good question. Great. So yeah, now let's move forward, guys. Come on. Let's try to tackle this. Everybody, back to studies, back to problem solving. Let's go, people. Everybody try to solve it. Black Panther. Very good. Madiki, I'm glad you are at live. That's brilliant. So try to solve this. This is a good question, guys. This is a good question. Let me see how many of you can crack it. Hello, Ranjit Srivatsa. Welcome, man. Nice to see you. Siddharth, are you sure? I don't think so. I don't think so, Siddharth. Please check it. Black Panther, are you sure? I don't think so. Nope. Very good, very good, very good. Siddharth and Black Panther, you have to check it. Nope, it is not A. Guys, solve it and tell me the answer. Do not tell me without solving. Do not tell me without solving. So please go for it, my dear boys and my dear girls. Please do it. Abhay, this class will go up to 7 o'clock for sure, man. What is the time now? Now the time is just 6:15, right? At least until 7 o'clock I will take, or maybe up to 7:30, because this is a marathon session. We need to complete this topic. So let's try to do that, okay? Sir, please reply in Instagram. Jones Joy, I will for sure, man. I will try to do that. I will try to do that. Jayaraman, you are right, Jayaraman. You are awesome. Jayaraman is absolutely right. So people, n minus 1 CR is equal to, you have what? You have k square minus 3. And then you have what? NCR plus 1. So guys, NCR plus 1, my dear boys and girls, can I write it as n by r plus 1 into n minus 1 CR? So can I write it as n by r plus 1 into n minus 1 CR? So this and this will get cancelled. So I'll have what? I'll have r by n. Oh, it is n only, right? So r plus 1 by n is equal to k square minus 3. Are you guys happy? Till here you guys have got it? Till here you guys have got it. Yes or no? Now people, r plus 1 by n will always be greater than 0 and it will always be less than equal to 1. Correct, now? Because r starts from 0. R starts from 0, goes all the way up to n. Okay? So that is why r plus 1, r plus 1 should be going up to n. Okay, so and then r plus 1 will go up to this. Got it? So r plus 1, can it be 0? It goes all the way up to n. So guys, I'll tell you how to solve it. Listen carefully, because this is important. So here I think some people will have confusion. Why is there no eraser? Yeah. So guys, see, r plus 1 n you have. So r plus 1 can maximum go up to n. So maximum value is n. But what is the minimum value? The minimum value of r plus 1 is 0. Here, the minimum value of r is 0. The minimum value of r is 0. So r, if it starts from 0, then r plus 1 will start from 1. Okay. So r plus 1 goes from 1 to n. So that is why r plus 1 by n will start from 0, go to 1. So that is nothing but k square minus 3. So k square minus 3 goes from 0 to 1. And you'll have what? K square is less than equal to 4, greater than 3. Okay. Here equality is not there. Why equality is not there? Because r plus 1 starts from 1. Okay. So if r plus 1 is from 1 to n, then 1 by n, r plus 1 by n is less than equal to 1. So this is what we have. So 1 by n, we can say that it starts from 0. Okay, 1 by n is approximately 0. We can take it and we can solve it. I hope you guys have got it. Okay, so k square is between 3 to 4. Then k will be between root 3 to 2. Okay, when I take square root. So root 3 open, 2 closed. This is my answer. I hope you guys liked it. Are you all clear? Rajbhai, I did JEE Advanced session yesterday. Okay. I did JEE Advanced session yesterday. I will do it in the coming weeks also. Don't worry. Very good, Siddharth. Brilliant. Black Panther, I'm so glad you liked it. Pradeep, fantastic, Pradeep. You are amazing. So, Subramani, I will teach you linear inequalities in the coming days. Don't worry. Thank you so much for your compliment. I'm so happy that you are enjoying it. Okay. Venish Kumar, what happened, Venish? So, Venish Kumar, what I did was, see, I use properties, Venish. So first of all, you have n minus 1 CR, right? So here, this NCR plus 1, I can write it as n by r plus 1 into n minus 1 CR by properties, Venish. By properties, I gave you a property, na? NCR is equal to n by r into n minus 1 CR minus 1. You remember that? So NCR plus 1 will be N by R plus 1, N minus 1 CR. Got it? So that is what happens to your right hand side. So right hand side will be what? Right hand side will be N by R plus 1 into N minus 1 CR. So N minus 1 CR, N minus 1 CR will get cancelled. So you'll have R plus 1 by N is equal to K square minus 3. Now, what is the value of R plus 1 by N? I am trying to find that out. Okay, I am trying to find that out. Is that clear, Venish? So that is what I was trying to do it. Okay, that is what I was trying to do right now. So I will teach you how to do that. So R plus 1, Venish, the maximum value it can go up to is N. Okay, now here R starts from 0, right? So R is greater than or equal to 0. So R plus 1 will be greater than 0. So this will be greater than 0, correct now? So now divide by N on both sides. If I divide by N on both sides, I'll get R plus 1 by N is less than or equal to 1. So R plus 1 by N is K square minus 3, right? So K square minus 3 is less than or equal to 1, greater than 0. Solve this inequality, you will get option D. I hope you understood it. Okay, are you all clear with that? Very good, Venish. Amazing, amazing. So with that, people, let's go to the next question. Please try to solve it, guys. This is again a fantastic question. Try to solve it. Praneeth, you are absolutely right, Praneeth. Absolutely correct. Very good, Shivam. Shivam, I'm glad you are able to understand it. Krishna Sharma, brilliant. Amazing. Good job. Good job. Everybody try to solve it, guys. Come on, people. I'm sure you all will be able to do it. Try to solve it. What is that symbol? That symbol is summation. That symbol is summation. Okay. Veronica wins. Veronica wins. You are amazing. Great. I'm happy that you are able to understand it. So people, let me show you how to solve it. Please listen carefully. So first of all, we have summation R equal to 0 up to N. You have R into NCR. NCR, how can we do it? I can write NCR as N by R into N minus 1 C R minus 1. You have P to the power R, Q to the power N minus R. Correct, na? Are you all happy? Very good, very good. So now people, this R and this R will get cancelled. I can take N outside because N is a constant. So I'll have N summation R equal to 0 to N. What do we have? We have N minus 1 C R minus 1. I have P to the power R, right? So I'll write P, 1P I'll take it out. If I take 1P outside, I'll have P to the power R minus 1, Q to the power N minus 1 minus of R minus 1. So what is this expansion, guys? Can you all think about it? So this expansion, this black color box, do you all agree? It is nothing but P plus Q whole to the power N minus 1. So that will be equal to what? P plus Q is 1, right? So it will be 1 to the power N minus 1, which is equal to 1. So the answer is NP into 1, which is equal to NP. Amazing. Mind blown. Isn't it a mind-blowing question? Guys, did you all like it? Are you all happy with it? Please let me know, my dear boys and girls. I want all of you to let me know in the chat quickly. Very good. Option B is correct. Krishna Sharma, you are absolutely right. Praneeth, you are right. Kapil, what is your doubt, Kapil? I'll help you, man. Please tell me. Shivam Yadav, brilliant. Venish Kumar, absolutely right. Very good, very good. Brilliant. So with that, shall I move forward? Anusha, brilliant Anusha. Kapil Premjani, please tell me what is your doubt. Jitesh, summation, if you expand it, you will get it, man. I will try to help you. This looks like advanced question, isn't it? It is a nice, tough question. I hope you guys enjoyed it. So, Praneeth and Jitesh, I will help you. Listen carefully. So, you have summation R equal to 0 up to N. You had what? N minus 1 C R minus 1, P to the power R minus 1, Q to the power N minus 1 minus R minus 1. Got it? So, if I put R equal to 0, it will not be defined. Leave it. R equal to 1. See, R equal to 0, you will have what? N minus 1 C minus 1. That is 0. Okay, n minus 1, c minus 1. See, this should not be negative. If it is negative, it is going to be 0. If it is 0, then anyway that term is not there. So leave that. So r0, it is not defined. Now r will be 1. If r is 1, you will get n minus 1 c 0, p to the power 0, q to the power, r is 1, right? So r is 1 means you will have n minus 1. Now r will be 2. If r is 2, you will have n minus 1 c1, p to the power 1, q to the power n minus 1. N minus 1 minus 1, right? So it will be n minus 2. Like that it keeps going. So what is this expansion? Can you see that, Jitesh? This expansion, Jitesh, is nothing but p plus q whole to the power n minus 1. Okay, that is what is happening here. I hope you guys got it. Is it mains level? It is a slightly tough question. It is not exactly mains level, but yeah, it can come in mains. Okay, are you all happy with it? Did you all like it? How do you substitute? Because see, we had q to the power n minus r. Q to the power n minus r is equal to q to the power n minus 1 minus r minus 1. Check it, check it, check it. Did you understand it? Ishwara, you can do that now because n minus 1 minus r minus 1 is the same as n minus r. So I am manipulating q so that I can fit into this formula, Ishwara. So that I can fit this into this formula, Ishwara. That is what I was trying to do. Okay. Hello, Hari Satish. Welcome, man. Very good. I hope you guys have got it. Praneeth, exposure, man, exposure. You solve many questions and you get the idea of how to tackle them. That's how people do it. Okay. So now that you know it, you will never make a mistake in this. Very good, Jitesh. Jitesh, you are awesome. So with that, people, let's go forward. Let's go to the next one. Are you all ready? So people, do you all know this? Are you guys aware of these stuff? Please make a note of it. Very good, very good. Siddharth, you are awesome, Siddharth. So people, if you put x is equal to 1 and a is equal to x, in the expansion of x plus a to the power n, you will get 1 plus x power n formula and 1 minus x power n formula. These two are very important. I want you to make a note of it. These two binomial expansions. I'm going to use it to solve some questions now. So please make sure you guys are all able to follow. Hari Satish, you are a bit late to the class, but this is a marathon session. I will take up to 7 o'clock for sure. So you can probably stick together till 7 and you can try to grab as much as you can. Okay. Black Panther, I am from South, man. I am from Chennai. My Hindi is very bad, but I can try. My Hindi is very bad. I just know how to speak basic stuff, not fluent. Okay. Krishna Sharma, I am glad you are able to follow. Siva Prasad, welcome Siva Prasad. So guys, how do you get this? I hope all of you are aware of it. What is 1 plus x to the power n? 1 plus x to the power n is nc0. 1 to the power n x to the power 0 plus nc1. 1 to the power n minus 1 x to the power 1 plus nc2 x to the power 2 and so on. Okay. 1 nc2 you'll have what? 1 to the power n minus 2 x to the power 2 and so on till ncn 1 to the power 0 x to the power n. That is what is given here. Are you all able to understand that? Hello Siddharth, welcome. Yes Arnav, Vijay's movies are good, man. Why not? Very good. Shivam, no problem Shivam, you can continue here. Arjun Saravanan, welcome. Nice to see you, man. Are you not feeling tired? No, Praneeth. I've been taking for only 1.5 hours. So I think I can manage up to 2 hours. Maybe after 2 hours, we'll continue in the next class. Okay. So, but we will try to learn till 7 o'clock, guys. Brilliant. So people, last one. This one, 1 minus x power n. I hope you guys know this. 1 minus x power n is what? nc0, you'll have what? 1 to the power n x to the minus x to the power 0 plus you'll have nc1 1 to the power n minus 1 into minus x power 1 plus nc2 1 to the power n minus 2 into minus x to the power 2 and all the way up to ncn. All the way up to ncn, you'll have what? You'll have 1 to the power 0 into minus x to the power n. Are you all happy? Did you all like it? Are you all clear? Why you put -1 in the last? Where did I put -1, man? Over here. That's because you have minus x power n, right? Minus x power n will become what? -1 to the power n, x to the power n. Okay, because we don't know what is n, right? If n is even, it will become +1. If n is odd, it will become -1. That's why I have to leave it like that. Did you like it? Yes. So with that, people, shall we move forward? This chapter is tough. No, man. We are doing it in one shot, right? That's why you're finding it tough. But otherwise, it's an easy chapter. Okay. Great. So with that, people, let's go forward to the next one. Please try to solve it, my dear boys and girls. Come on, people. I want maximum people to get it right. I want maximum number of boys and girls to get it right. Please go for it. Everybody, please try to solve it and get it right if possible. Please keep lectures. Jitesh, lectures means we can't complete portions, man. That's why I try to keep one shot so that we can revise it together. We can revise it faster. Okay. Speak in Tamil. Sudhir, do you understand Tamil? So guys, what is this? Did you all figure it out? That is nothing but 1 plus x to the power 3 whole to the power 20. So we have 1 plus x to the power 60. So we need to find the coefficient of x to the power 20 in this. So what is TR plus 1? TR plus 1 is nothing but 60 CR. 1 to the power 60 minus R. X to the power R. So we want x to the power 20. So R should be 20, right? So it will be 60 C20 x to the power 20. So the answer is 60 C20, which is equal to 60 C40. Because 60 C20 is equal to 60 C40. So that is why the answer is option A. I hope you guys liked it. Did you all enjoy it? Everybody? Nandu, yes man, I am from IIT Madras. I studied in IIT Madras. I wrote JEE Mains. I was one of the state toppers in Tamil Nadu. I did clear KVPY. That is my background. Now I teach students. I help students get into IIT Bombay, IIT Delhi, IIT Madras and so on. So that is what I do now because I love to teach. I love to help students. 60C30 is not right. 60C20 is correct. 60C40 is correct. Okay. Are you all clear? Aditya Ram, Praneeth, Siddharth, you guys are absolutely correct. Krishna Sharma, brilliant. Absolutely right. Okay. Great. So with that, people, let's go forward to the next one. Are you guys ready? So please make a note of this, guys. Come on. Everybody try to note it down. I'm going to help you. Once you guys are all done. But please make a note of it. This is just a nice formula. These are all good formulas which can help you solve questions. Very tough questions you can solve by using these brilliant results which I have given you. Okay, sir is taking drop, worth or private seat for MBBS. So private seats are very expensive, man. You have to pay lakhs of rupees. Okay, if you're okay with that, you can go for it. But otherwise, I would say dropping is better. Hello, Akshita. Welcome, Akshita. Mid-Gemist. Sanskrit, I don't know Hindi itself, man. How can I talk in Sanskrit? Naufal, welcome Naufal. Pradeep Rao, the crash course for 2022 will start from maybe December, November. We will let you know, don't worry. Yes, Akshita, placements for BArc, it depends on experience. It depends on your project. That is very important, okay? Hello, Banu Teja, welcome. Madhiki, what should I say? Shika Sharma, welcome Shika Sharma, nice to see you. IIT or MIT? Of course MIT, but MIT is not that easy to get in, man, unless you are a gold medalist in an Olympiad. If you get gold medalist in international Olympiad, then you have a chance. But otherwise, no. Marna Mas. Where level? Okay, so guys, shall we get started? How many hours of study is required? Bala Darshan, at least 3 hours self-study is required. Apart from school. Apart from school, 3 hours is needed. Okay. Hello, Shivam. So people, did you all make a note of it? I will explain it to you. Please listen carefully. So guys, you have x plus a power n. What is x plus a power n? It will be nc0 x to the power n a to the power 0 plus nc1 x to the power n minus 1 a to the power 1 plus nc2 x to the power n minus 2 a to the power 2, right? And you have all the way up to ncn x to the power 0 a to the power n. Now what is x minus a power n? X minus a power n is nc0 x to the power n a to the power 0 minus nc1 x to the power n minus 1 a plus nc2 x to the power n minus 2 a to the power 2 and so on. So if you add both of them, this and this will become twice of nc0 x to the power n a to the power 0 plus this and this will get cancelled, second term. So all the odd binomial coefficients will get cancelled, only the even binomial coefficients will get added up. So that is what is happening here. Can you see that? Are you guys able to understand that? Are you guys able to understand that? When I add both of them, all the even binomial coefficients will stay and all the odd binomial coefficients will get cancelled. But when I subtract them, if I subtract them, only the odd binomial coefficients will stay and the even will get cancelled. Is that clear? Did you all like it? Was it understandable? Okay. I hope you guys have all understood it. Madhuki, without coaching you got 19. Okay, you're dropping for a year. Madhuki, you should have dropped with Vedantu, right? I told you Vedantu has a droppers batch. It's very good. It is really, really good, Madhuki. You should have tried that. But yeah, no problem. Still you can make it. Work hard. Focus on all the topics. Don't leave any topic unattended. Okay. Gautam Sai, thank you so much. JEE 2022 series. Nandu, we will restart it again. Don't worry. Yes, Black Panther, why not? So people, are you all clear? Did you note down this formula? Because I'm going to use this formula to solve it. The next question. So please make a note of this formula. And guys, I will share the PDF of this class with you guys tonight. Okay. Very good, Shika. I'm glad you're able to follow it. So people, please make a note of this formula and then we will move forward. Everybody, please do it quickly. Great, great, great. So please try to solve this question. Come on, boys and girls. Come on, people. If your n is odd, the number of terms will be how much? If your n is odd, the number of terms will be how much? If n is odd, the number of terms in x plus a power n plus x minus a power n will be equal to n plus 1 by 2. So the answer is 9 plus 1 by 2. So it will be 5. Got it? Are you all clear? Very good, Jitesh. Very good, Roshni. Very good, Maulesh. You are awesome. You are awesome. Okay? You guys are absolutely brilliant. Vanish, brilliant Vanish. Anusha, superb. So that is how you solve it. I hope you guys got it. So people, this is another important formula. Please make a note of it. I will show you how to derive it. So I'm gonna try to cover these properties and maybe with that we can chat for a while. We can take your doubts and maybe in the next class I'll continue the second part. Okay. So people, please note it down and if you have any doubts, please feel free to ask me. Okay. That is the best way to go about it. Great, Madhuki. Praneeth, for sure, man. Please no one shot, sir, please. Why, man? One shots are very fast, right? We can cover one entire chapter in 1 or 2 classes. That is good for you. Your portions will be done. Where will you share the PDF? Sudhir, I will share the PDF in my Telegram group. So the Telegram group link is given below in the description of this video. So please try to check it out and join that. Okay. Is IIT Allahabad? Yes. Mid-gemist. Why not, man? IIT Allahabad is good. You can go for it. You can go for it. Absolutely. Very good, very good. So people, I will show you how to derive it. Listen carefully. So people, when you have 1 plus x to the power n, what is the formula? It is nc0 x to the power 0 plus nc1 x to the power 1 plus nc2 x to the power 2 plus nc3 x to the power 3 and so on till ncn x to the power n. Now if I put x as 0 or x as 1, if I put x as 1, I'll get 1 plus 1 whole power n is equal to nc0 plus nc1 plus nc2 plus nc3 all the way up to ncn. So the sum of all the binomial coefficients is actually equal to 2 to the power n. The sum of all the binomial coefficients is actually equal to 2 to the power n. That's how you solve it. I hope you guys are all clear with that. Yes? Did you all like it? Abhinav, no problem Abhinav, welcome. Exactly Jitesh, I know. Black Panther, Kritika, welcome Kritika, nice to have you here. Did you all understand that? Brilliant. Perfect guys, you are amazing. The next one is, you take 1 minus x to the power n. So here you will get what? nc0 x to the power 0 minus nc1 x plus nc2 x square minus nc3 x cube and so on till minus 1 to the power n ncn x power n. Now put x as 1. If I put x as 1, I'll get 1 minus 1 power n is equal to nc0 minus nc1 plus nc2 minus nc3 plus nc4 minus nc5 and so on till minus 1 to the power n ncn. So this is equal to under. So the difference, alternative sign, if you add everything, it will be 2 to the power n. Are you of even binomial with that? Solve it. Please solve it. Black Pants has 1. Tej Pratap, Maulesh, everybody say